What is up, family? aka Ohana, it's your boy, and we got another one. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I had a great weekend. Hit up Coachella this weekend. Actually, just got in this morning, and the package that I'm about to open up came the day I left for Coachella. And I tried to pull one of those. I'm gonna wait as late as I can to see if I could get the package, but it never came. So now I had to get out of here because if any of you have ever been to Coachella, you know how that traffic is trying to get in there. But be on the lookout. I should have a Coachella video up either Wednesday or Thursday. Just some of the acts I saw and just in general some information. If any of you ever plan on going down to Coachella, it was my first one, and it was definitely worth it in this case. But I'll get into that next video. Let's go ahead and get into what you want to see. I just picked this up right now, so you will be getting the first impressions just like me. Get rid of that. Here it is. Size 12 Ultra Boost. Probably already tell what it is. Let's just get into it. Whew. It's that Undefeated Ultra Boost collab in the black. I ended up winning a raffle for this one too. I don't know how I'm getting lucky with all these raffles, but this is my first pair of black Ultra Boost. This is really only my third pair of Adidas. You can see the other two in the background. I got the HUs and the Japan Pack NMD in black, but these are sick. And I know people are like, oh, it's so basic, but that's basically what I like about them. Has the UNDE on the front. I mean, just your basic black Ultra Boost. Obviously with the Undefeated branding on the front. And on the inside, you have Undefeated, Adidas Performance, Issue Type, Undefeated Action Capabilities, Training Program, then Undefeated at the end. But yeah, you guys have probably seen a million Ultra Boosts, just not on this page. But this is the latest pickup, latest raffle win. Another one out. And there's the rest of the Undefeated branding. Adidas on the tongue. And of course you got that boost that everybody loves oh so much. Continental on the bottom. But yeah, that's about it. It's just a black Ultra Boost. The Undefeated branding actually really did it for me. And just in case you guys were wondering, not really hopping on the Ultra Boost game. I'm actually a fan of Undefeated. I got the hats. I have a couple of joggers that I don't feel like getting out right now. That's really my main reason why I got these, was for the Undefeated branding, not so much the Ultra Boost. I missed out on those Air Max 97s, which, in my opinion, probably one of the best Undefeated collabs with Nike. So ended up picking these up. Struck out on everything else that came out that weekend, probably just like everyone else. But these were a surprise because I actually got the notification on, Saturday, that morning, that I had one, which I thought was kind of random, but can't really complain. I copped. So, and I think that weekend I ended up getting these in the shadows. So, not a bad weekend. Again, love the simplicity of this shoe. Love the Undefeated on the front. That's just dope to me. Guess I just like the simple things. But yeah, that's the latest drop, the Undefeated Ultra Boost. Look out for that Coachella video. Like I said, should be out Wednesday or Thursday. Performances and just a little rundown of what to expect at Coachella if you plan on going. So hopefully you guys are going to have a great week. And until next time, remember to stay grateful, respectful, and humble. And I'll holla at y'all later. Peace.